Hi everybody! Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. This is Madam Hila. So for today's video, we are going to talk about a foreigner that is a pedophile in the Philippines. Yes, a pedophile in the Philippines. So as we all know, there are many foreigners roaming around in the Philippines that are targeting women, especially the young ones. So, if you are a parent of a specific kid, especially if you're a parent of a girl, okay, you need to check from time to time their messenger. Maybe they are chatting with someone else that is pretending to be a kid. I myself is a mother of a 10-year-old daughter, and I have to check from time to time her Facebook, her TikTok, her YouTube, because with all the social media they might find chatmate or um, playmate, especially kids nowadays. They are playing Roblox, and as we all know that there are people who are playing Roblox are adults, and who knows, maybe they are pretending to be a kid and they are talking to your kid. So that's why you have to check from time to time their social media messages, especially if they are underage. And at the same time, there are also women in the Philippines that are naive. They don't know anything what is fake online. So for example, I have a friend before, way back long time ago. At that time, I myself are not really familiar with internet. So she had a chatmate before. I think they've been chatting online, but as per I know, they never video call. The guy only call, all right, just call, no video call, because at that time it was Yahoo Messenger. If you happen to know that before there is a Yahoo Messenger chat. Yeah. Before there was only Skype, Yahoo Messenger. There's no Viber, there's no WhatsApp, and even Facebook. It wasn't that famous before. It was Friendster. So at that time, I think I was teen, and my friend as well, and she asked me where to go, an airport nearby, since we are in the countryside Philippines of the Visayas. So the only airport that is nearby to us is Tacloban and Cebu. So at that time she said that she had a chatmate that is going here in the Philippines, and she's gonna meet him in the airport. So they went to Cebu, not knowing that the ticket that the chatmate sent her is fake. Yes, indeed. They went to Cebu, they went to the airport, and at the time of the arrival, nobody actually showed up. It was a scam. So nowadays there are still many women like that. They don't know what's fake. So if there are many women that are scamming foreign national, there are also women that are being scammed by foreigner. So it was the vice versa. So the bottom point in this video is be alert. And if you have a kid, especially a daughter, you have to check from time to time their social media accounts, especially the messages. And if you have a friend that is chatting with someone and you think that it was too good to be true, and your friend is, you know, believing this someone, make sure that you have to give her advice. See ya on my next video. Bye.